Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 2-16, the front tyre. Let's get building and assembling. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 2-16, the tyre for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. After a complicated piece last one, this one looks simple. Let's see if it works out that simple. Okay, open up the template. Okay, we'll do the right side. Actually, do the front plane. Now we want rectangle up top. That's going to be connect the center point, that point in line, but do not connect to this point. We're going to build a template thing, and we're going to put it around in a circle. Now we want, let me do dimension that one first. So that's going to be 68 across. Be from there to there. It's going to be 228 divided by 2. From there to there, from the top one to the bottom one, it's going to be 300 divided by 2. Okay, so we want bring this down. That's going to be 111. Oh, that's what went wrong. Look at the things. Some don't look right. Okay, let me delete that one. Let me just yeah. It's supposed to be the top there, not the center. It's supposed to be the bottom here, sorry. I'm looking at that look right. Okay, let me fix that. It's supposed to be the bottom there is 111. That bottom line to that point there. Okay. We delete all that. There we go. That's better. Come look, I thought that looked right. So it's 300 at the top, 111 to there, not the middle. I did the middle. Then we've got little U-shapes down the bottom here. Little hang-ons. Could mirror this cross, but not that much work. And that is, oh, hold on. There we go. Because this is 111. There we go. That and that equals, where are we? Oh, and that's going to be 2 mil. Actually, make that 1 mil. And that one's going to be 1 mil. Okay, now we want trim cut. Zoom in. I just want to trim that one out. Should I upset anything? Actually, somebody's upset. Somebody that's upset there, it's upset something there. Okay. Let me just put a marker in there. There you go. That's locked it in. because I trimmed that, it's upset some connection there, so but it's still showing. Okay. Just put a measurement there, just lock it in. There you go. It's all black, so it's all good. Okay, so now that's done. Let's do a right plane view, normal 2. Edit, sketch, or create sketch. Now we want a circle. Where are we? Circle. It's going to be equal to there. Okay. It's a sketch. Now we want to do swap a sweep base boss, a sweep boss base. We say that wrong for some reason. That's the wrong one. Clear the sketching. We want that sketch there and change automatically that one there. There we go. We have got a tire. Interesting. What's the line there? Didn't show there. Actually, I quite like it. But let's have a look at something. Let me just save. Let's have a look at that sketch. Maybe a line? Well, it's not a line, it's those vertical, those are vertical. Okay, that thing seems good. And there's our tire done. Okay, I'm going to do assembly on this. I'm just going to assemble on the front rim to make sure everything's good. So let's open up our last part. Front rim. Just do a new assembly MNGS. Open up origins. We want the front rim. There it is, beautiful. Now let's, oh, no, not mate. Yeah, they. Tire. Now we want mate. Inside cylinder to outside cylinder. Outside face to outside face. Actually, I have a feeling, yeah, because it's got to go over. That was the wrong one. That one, delete. Delete that one. Move that across. So you want this outside face to the inside face. Interesting. Inside face. Let's grab. Okay, so the inside face there, tire. There we go. And yeah, for some reason the tire's wider. Oh, I see a mistake I did. I looked at the wrong one. Let me just save this as... Doesn't have assembly part on it, but let me open up this one. I just realized I made a mistake in here. Let me do that one. Let me get rid of these. Come on. Let me you get rid of that measurement and that measurement, and it's going to be 30. That point to that point will be 30. That's a big difference. Well, I don't know what I looked at. Looked at something wrong. Hey, make mistakes so we can see how I fix things. There we go. Exit, save. Go back to that one. There you go. There you go. Perfect. I'm just going to put a thing on there. What's it called? Fillet, which does show that, but doesn't give you a dimension. But I'm going to do just, let's have a look at what 5 looks like. Actually, 5 looks about good. And let's add some rubber to it. Matte gloss textured rubber. Oh wow, that, that makes it look a lot better. That's part 2-16 done of the tyre for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon, and I did assembly. Just make sure things were good, and you know it's got to be assembled there anyway, so we don't have to worry about it later on. So, hope you enjoyed the episode. If you enjoyed it, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Leave comments below. Appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.